trips between zones. The from zone 1 to zone 1, zone 2, zone 3, zone 4, zone 5 and its corresponding trips. And here is the minutes to get from one zone to another. So here is from node 1 to any nodes, then its link path. So for its link path, you have to take the shortest route to get there. So for example, is from node 2 to zone 5. So from zone 2 to zone 5, dili ko siya dito. So 2 to 5 ka. From 2 to 5, it is 12 minutes. But in all or nothing method, you have to take the shortest route. So from 2 to 5 is 12 minutes. But if we take zone 2 to 4 to 5, we'll get there for 11 minutes. So that's why in this table, from zone 2 to zone 5, dili siya dito nga 2 to 5, unlike dari sa uban ng 2 to 1, 2 to 3, 2 to 4. For this path, nagiging shortest, so the one siya ni ito pa siya sa 4, kaya rin siya ito sa 5 para matake ang shortest route. So there ang time travel from 1 to 2 na nakabutang na rin sa table. From 1 to 2 ay 8 minutes. From 1 to 2 to 3, 1 to 2 to 3, so 8 plus 3, na siya 11 minutes and so on. So for the volume, nakapag siya sa table. So from 1 to 2, and from 1 to 2 na kay 100, then para sa multiple na path na yung take, example is kani 1 to 2 to 3. So from for inani, there ang magbasin. So from 1 to 3. So it's going to be from 1 to 3, which is 100 yapon. And then for the total volume, to get the total volume for trips is pakidaan mo, there is a link path na ay trips 1 pa to 2. So for example, for link 1 to 2 na kay duha ka murag path na murag na-take siya 1 to 2. So kanish sila na volume yung na siya ni-add. So after 100 plus 100, kay 1 to 2 man yung link, ay 1 to 2 din, after 1 to 2 din, so yung siya yung plus ang duha. So muna ang total volume niya is 200. So from 2 to 1, pangita na sad ka o or path na 2 to 1. So dali na isa, 2 to 1, which is 400. Dayon, dali 2 to 1, which is 200. So 400 plus 200 na kay 600. From 1 to 5. So na kay 1 to 5 dali, ay 1 to 5 put dali, and wala na dali. So 200 plus 150 na kay 350. So from 5 to 1, 5 to 1 is 1. Ngayon, gani. 5 to 1, 5 to 1 dali. 250 plus 200 is 450. So from 2 to 5, ang dali, makita na sad ka, 2 to 5, 5, wala. So meaning 0. walay trip, and dito siya from 2 dito to 5. Same as 5 padulong sa 2, wala dapat. So 0 yun. So from 2 to 3, na kani 100, napod na 200, so 300 plus wala na, so 300. From 3 to 2, from 2 to 4. 2 to 4. Okay. 100 plus 500, 600. So from 4 to 2. 4 to 2 is kanin. So yung kanin. Ay 300 plus 100 plus 400. From 3 to 4. Kanin. So 100 plus 150 is 250. From 4 to 3. 4 to 3. Kanin. So 400 plus 50 is 450. From 4 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 500 plus 150, 650 plus 250, 900 plus 400 is 1,300. So last is from 5 hanggang sa 4. So ay kanin 100 plus 50, 150 plus 350 na 500 total yung mga volume.
So, like when we calculating the link volume, we go to vehicle per minute. So to calculate the vehicle per minute, you have enable to calculate the vehicle per minute. The formula of vehicle per minute is total volume in link times time. So in zone 1 to 2, we have 200 volume times time, the travel time. So 200 times 8, which is zone 1 to 2, have the 200 volume in link times 8 is equal to 1,600. In zone 2 to 1, here zone 2 to 1, we have 600 volume times travel time 8 minutes. So zone 2 to 1 have 600 volume in link times 8 in time is equal to 4,800. So zone 1 to 5. Zone 1 to 5, which have 350 volume in link times time, which is 5 minutes, is equal to 1,750. 5 to 1, which have 450 volume times 5 to 1. Here, the travel time is 5 minutes, so 450 times 5 is equal to 2,250. And 2 to 5, which is in the table, 2 to 5 have a volume of 0. So, but the travel time of 2 to 5 is 12. So 0 times 12 is 0. 5 to 2 is have a 0 volume times 7 times 12, which is 0. So in conclusion, the vehicle per minute is total volume in link times time. So that if para makuha ninyo ang vehicle per minute, gamiton niyo ang total volume in link times time.
So for conclusions, the all and or nothing method is a basic approach to travel assignment where all traffic is assigned to the shortest path without considering the congestions. While is simple and easy to implement, is that It does not reflect the real world conditions where traffic is spread across multiple routes due to the capacity constraint.
Half ignited charge.
That's all, ma'am. Thank you.